We're going to look at how to browse the Seesaw activity library, assign activities, and even edit activities if you want to add to them. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to Add and then Assign Activity. Note that you can also get there by clicking on Activities over here. So I'm going to do Assign Activity. It's going to take you to My Library. As we go through the community library, you'll notice that you can like different activities, and that will send them to your library. That way you can keep them all saved right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on Community. And then I want you to note that you can sort by grade level and you can sort by subject. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and search for first grade, and let's look for math. You'll notice under every activity there's a certain amount of likes. So some of these that have a lot of likes, you'll know that teachers have already used these quite a bit. So I don't know all the first grade content well enough to know what would be the best activity, so I'm just going to click on one for now. So let's go ahead and just choose the place value activity. Okay, so this particular person has several place value activities, so I'm going to choose the hundreds, tens, and ones. And then I can preview here what students are going to do. They are going to add, they're going to select their name, they're going to count the blocks and press the pencil to write the number on the line. So I can go ahead and see if I like this activity. If so, I'm going to star it, and then I can assign it to any of my classes. So you can assign it just as is. After you click the like, so if I don't have this liked, I can't edit the activity, but once you click the like button, note that I can come in here and I can copy and edit the activity. Maybe I want my students to have some reflection question stems. Maybe I want to add depth and complexity reflection question here. So I would just choose copy and edit. And now granted, you can't edit the exact template unless you create a new template. So maybe you have an image from your curriculum that you want to upload here, and that would be great. You can use the snipping tool. Any image can go in here. But you can go in and add the edit the instructions very easily. So maybe here they're going to explain the steps that you took using the mic. There are some specific Seesaw shortcut symbols, so we'll go ahead and link to those. But now you can see when I click Save, this is the step that I added. Now, this doesn't go with the activity, and I would need to get this more correct, but it shows how to edit the activities. And then once you click Assign, I'm going to assign it to the Horn Test class. Okay, and so for students, I'm going to click on Go Back to Class. Whenever students are in my Horn Test class, whenever they click on activities, that latest assigned activity is going to be at the top here for them to choose Add Response. Right now I'm in Miss Maldonado's class. You can see her students did an activity, and I want to show how to see those responses. So if you click where it says 17 responses, it's going to actually pull up and show you all the students who responded. You can preview their activity. You could comment on it if you want to, but it'll also give you a quick view of who's responded and who has not yet responded.